She has been involved with the inspection of schools for grant of affiliation and been a peer assessor for accreditation by CBSE. She is also a master trainer with CBSE for training principals and teachers and CBSE awardee. She is an administrator, educator, author, speaker and a lifelong learner. The great mentors warmly welcome Dr. Anshu Arora, Principal, Amity International School, Gurugram. Recipient of Jewel of India Award, Limca Book Recognition, Best Principal, Best Guru, winner at Cyber Fair, and an All India topper from Hotel Management, PUSA. Dr. Arora was invited as an Indian representative at BET Asia Leadership Summit held at Singapore. She was felicitated with International Leadership Award at Dubai. Dr. Arora was the coordinator of the 5th International Children Theatre Festival co-hosted by Ryan Schools and HT. She has been associated with cultural exchange programs and Model United Nations. Dr. Arora headed the Quality Circle Convention at Mauritius and has visited schools in the US. She led a team of 10 students to Norway under the Amity flagship. Under her mentorship, Amity has won the School Excellence Award, Best School Award and has secured top position amongst leaders in HT survey. Dr. Arora has done her PhD research on media habits of school children and published many research papers. She has designed websites and interactive computer applications. Dr. Arora co-authored the CBSE Handbook for Students and NCC Manual. She has authored 2 fictions, The School Tales for School Children and Say Bye to Goodbye for the Young Adults. Also, she has co-authored a Hindi poetry book, Kahi Ankahi, and written Comptitude, a series of computer aptitude books for classes 1 to 8. Dr. Arora has developed an app, iBrainPower, to increase memory and also designed a course for UDEMY, a popular MOOC. She is a blogger and has a YouTube channel on parenting.